All right, so the place we are about to visit right now is none other than Coronado Escapes. Escape from the United States Matrix, Trump, and everything you fear for the low, low price of watching this video. It is beautiful. I just want you to know. This is my favorite place. Buenas. Look at this. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Nothing but blue. Nothing but ocean. You got the playground like I showed y'all the first time. And that's over there at the dance area with the music where you can do the dook, 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 dook. All right, so y'all remember that. Okay. And like I showed. All right, so this is Coronado Escapes. Say what's up, babe.
Hey.
What's going on, guys? This is the social area. Look how beautiful it is out here. How you say beautiful? ¿Cómo se dice? Bonita? I thought it was...
lugar.
Okay, what's hermosa?
Hermosa, it's beautiful.
Oh, okay. Okay, so it's a couple ways to skin a cat. So look at the pool, guys. Look how we walking up like this. This is beautiful. Hit them with the music, right? Okay. This is gorgeous, man. This is the social area. And they have this little area right here. I don't know exactly what this is right here. Maybe you can have parties or meetings in here or something like that. They can do meetings or something in here?
Yeah, birthday or something.
Birthdays, reunions. Ooh, that's loud. Open sesame. Okay.
Like 3 or 4 rooms like this.
Okay.
Some of them with air conditioning. Oh, this one. You have 2 air conditioners.
Yeah, they got the air conditioners, yeah.
You got a birthday in here. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Nice.
Sink.
Okay, yeah, they got all the pool equipment in here. So if you bringing your folks here for the birthdays or a meeting or something, you can use the pool equipment.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, these windows,
Sliding doors there.
sliding doors. I thought they were giant windows, yeah. So the whole place opens up, y'all. If you want the breeze to flow through, and you can bring the chairs in here.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, this is awesome. Then they have the bathrooms too. Okay, and this is the bathroom. Got the lights off right here.
Take their showers.
All right, yeah. So you can do your little showers after you get out of the chlorine and everything. Got the toilet right there, you know, pretty clean. Yeah. Okay. And that's because we named them. Yeah, it is. Yo, if you guys are thinking about this place right here, I just need you to understand that this is also extremely close to schools for your kids, and it's only like 3 minutes from Coronado downtown, baby, for all the shopping. If you guys didn't see the video for 700 versus 2500 or 1100 versus 2500, then this is a power station as well for this entire building. So when they have outages and everything, it won't affect the people that live here, okay? And this is what it looks like walking up to the first apartment entrance. Pretty damn nice, right? Got the elevator game going. Everybody say what's up?
It has an electric key.
Okay. Alrighty, guys, as we walk into the first place, we're gonna check out.
Welcome to my house.
She's talking a lot of stuff right now. But let's go ahead. Look at the size of this TV, baby. You can just come here and Netflix it up real quick. Excuse the noise. But look, you got your outside grillage. This is cool in the village. Look at this. You got your own little sitting area outside on the balcony with freaking chairs. This is crazy.
Look at this.
All right. Now, I don't really like heights like all that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But you got the little lake outside
Look at this.
behind her.
Stone. I don't know what type.
Yeah. It's crazy.
You know?
Yeah, this is made out of marble, he says.
Nice table.
Nice
All of that's made out of marble, too. Then you got the grill.
A real TV.
Yeah. This TV is massive.
Surround sound is new.
This is marble too.
Yeah, that's definitely new. So this table is marble too. You got your little dining area mirror game going. And we come back for the kitchen. Let's check out this first room right here. To the left is the bathroom. El baño. El baño is a decent size.
You have a linen closet here.
Yes.
For
Okay.
sheets and towels.
Yeah, and covers,
Yeah,
extra
this
sheets for
this
the
closet
bed.
right here is stocked. All right, and so we come in the room.
We get the price at the end, though.
Yeah, we ain't even ask them the price yet. Let me get the.
We get the price at the
Price.
end.
So these are the
Keep
closets.
watching to get the price.
So there's a lot of space. It's hot toy in here. You can
Air
cut this.
conditioner.
Yeah, we got the AC on. I mean the AC, but the AC ain't on right now. But look, you got that little lake in the back.
That's beautiful.
It is
It's a
beautiful.
nice view.
Yes,
Yeah.
very beautiful view.
Right.
This is 100% leather sofa.
100% leather sofa, guys.
Yes.
Right there. All right, so we come to this second room right here.
Bedroom.
This second bedroom, it's sitting on dubs.
Oh, we got the better view.
Yeah.
Those are bumper beds.
Yeah.
I mean, they had a sliding door, a sliding bed under.
Oh, see,
Oh, okay.
see.
It's a sliding bed under this one.
Yeah.
And look at the closet space.
Yes, and look at this view. It has
And it has the AC as well. But yeah, look at all that. Look at all that. All right. And we got this bathroom in the hallway.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love the
We
tile.
got how the ceilings are. And that's it.
Yeah.
Then we have this other bedroom right here.
They got, what they call it?
The sliding door,
No, not the sliding doors, the blackout.
the blackout shades.
Yeah, the blackout. shade.
Okay, that's what it looked like. Everywhere you go is a little
It's a
view.
view, yeah, right?
I'm about ready to cut the air on, man. Yeah, they got air, guys.
Don't cost you extra.
I just ain't got the air on right now. It's hot too up in this
It's the
month.
kitchen.
And this is the kitchen we're heading to right now for the first place. Look how high the ceilings are. So we're not in a hut, y'all.
Stainless steel,
Double door fridge
stove,
with the water dispenser,
yeah,
the stove.
beautiful clean
I got the paper
microwave.
towels. I'm about to snuff these paper towels and take them back home. We need the paper towels, y'all. All right.
And a washer.
Washer and the dryer.
All stainless steel.
You don't want to see the steel.
And that's a
Oh,
pantry.
extra bathroom back here,
And an
man.
extra bathroom.
And a
That's where
pantry.
you would have been at.
Please. All right.
Now,
So,
the best part, this apartment is 1,300, but this month could be 1,200.
hold on. What?
Oh, that's
Say it one more time. Normally, this apartment would be 1,300. This month, 1,200.
1,200. 1,200. What the hell? All right, now I know y'all remember this place. We right here at the ocean. I know y'all remember this. Look at this. This is called Ocean Waves. Uh-huh. All right, now let's head up the steps so you can be smacked in the face with the views. This is beautiful. It is beautiful. I just want you to know. This is my favorite place. Buenas. Look at this. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Nothing but blue. Nothing but ocean. You got the playground like I showed y'all the first time. And that's over there at the dance area with the music where you can do the dook, 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 dook. All right, so y'all remember that. Okay. And like I showed y'all before, how you just walk down here and just get straight into the pool. Come on. Now, ain't that crazy how you got the pool right here, then you got the ocean right there. So you just, you know what? I'm tired of swimming in the pool. I'm sick and tired of swimming in the pool all day. But you know what? I'm ready to go swim over there. Look at that. Then right over there, you got the buildings. You can get the fish right off the beach. It ain't no joke. Then you got my beautiful wife right there walking up that way. Then you got the little sitting area right here. Oh, snap. If it get a little bit too hot, you can go inside there if you want to. I ain't playing with you. I am not playing. Let's move a little bit back this way. Look at the brother. Look at the brother right there from St. Louis, like me, out here in Panama. Who said we couldn't do it? Who said we couldn't leave the Lou? You hear me? Now come on. Look at that. It's nothing but ocean and opportunity. Y'all trying to bang with it? You hear me? We ain't got nothing but ocean and opportunity out here. You hear me? Nothing but ocean and opportunity. Then over here to this side right here, guys. Hey, what's up, bro? I don't know who that is. But over to that side, I ain't even gonna go. The wind about to blow my dang on hat into the water. That's gonna suck. But it got the barbecue pit area over there too. And actually about to blow my damn phone into the water. Now y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Baby, y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Come on, man. We gotta get close up. Are y'all ready for y'all close up? We got the proven but mythological black sand beach. You understand what I'm saying? Don't confuse that with dirt. That's black sand. Too rich for y'all blood. You understand what I'm talking about? It is beautiful, man. Look at this. Got the folks out there swimming and fishing, doing all of that extra stuff, man. All right. I might talk a little boastful, y'all, but I'm humble. I'm super grateful every day to be in a place this beautiful. All right. And of course, we have beautiful places in the United States, but definitely not the quality of life that you get here for the same amount of money that you would pay for the United States, okay? Alright, we are back at Ocean Waves. We're about to go in here and see some more 1,300, 1,500 type apartments and stuff like that. Go into your new apartment. Hola. Hey.
Hello. Hi.
Hola. Alright, so we are starting an auction effect, guys. We are starting a bidding war. This lady actually is staying here right now. So that's letting you know that there is a high demand for places like these. For those of you in the comments who think that people, well, nobody's gonna buy that, nobody's gonna pay that. She's actually here and she's from a whole different country. She's Polish. Alright, so here's a bathroom right here. One of the bathrooms. Guys, so like people actually move to these places. And I'm trying to help you guys relocate and start a new life. This is another one of the rooms. This is kind of dark because she's, they just woke up. Yeah, this is one of the rooms. So let's move out. But as you can see, you can go straight out into the ocean. Look at this.
It has your own Christmas tree.
Look at the TV. Look at the TV. But then look at this. This is what you wake up to. And this is where you can have breakfast in the morning while you look out here.
You have a $1 million view.
Yes, this is a $1 million view, guys. Location, location, location.
Master bedroom too.
And you got the black sand down there. And look at that view, man.
It's not a great one.
Only other place better is space, but you can't get there.
This is my cat's property.
I can't walk past that.
Look at the balcony goes to.
I love it.
Wow, it's a wraparound. I can't. I'm dizzy. I get dizzy.
I have,
This is on the third floor.
yes, I have 2 cats.
So what are y'all thinking right now, man? I know it's a little dark. It's a little dark. What are y'all thinking? Tell me in the comments what y'all thinking about this place right here. We've been to Ocean Waves before, but the last time nobody was actually living in the apartments. This is actually occupied. All right. Now, some of the places we showed you guys today, like they're doing discounts just for this month. So if you already live in Panama and you're looking for a permanent place to stay, then you need to get us. If you are in the United States, go to the resources section in the first pinned comment and it will show you how you can get assistance relocating and moving out here. Make a move. All the crazy stuff going on in the United States right now. You guys shouldn't be hesitating. All right, let's flip this around.
So this first room here, or this
Look at this.
our leads out to the balcony as well.
Look at that. Look at that. Come on, man. Come on. This is what you wake up to. Look at all the closet space. Look at the weird half-faced Picasso looking
They're trying to
thing.
be in their business.
The cat, where is the cat? They
Oh, I think they got a cat. Yeah, you can have pets here too. But yeah. Okay, so this place
Don't
right
pet the
here
pies.
is awesome. Yeah. All right, so they went down from 269 to what?
255.
255. This is if you want to buy this, guys. It is 255. This one is not for rent, is it?
No.
Yeah, this one is for sale. This one is not for rent. So this one would be 255, guys. And upon exiting the apartments, those mountains right there, man. This is a place called Gorm Meats, and it's supposedly supposed to have some good meatballs.